microphone, so the second Sunday in September. I spent the first Sunday at the hospital, so I'm back now. I got discharged on Friday. I'm just trying to fix around. So once I the results, so I'm crying for a long time. Oh my god! I mean, you bought that padlock. That's nice. Well done. You did well.
Whoa! Sorry.
Oh God! Please. Your help is what needed.
Hey! Please. It's so heavy.
I'm sorry. Well done. God, I'm so tired. But I'm supposed to do a fit check for you guys. Unfortunately, I've started pulling pains, but as well. Such a stressful place to be. I couldn't find my clinic, so they asked me to come back to the ward where I was admitted last week. I'm going home. I'm almost through. I'm coming. I just want to wear my accessories. I'm coming. I don't know why I keep forgetting to wear accessories whenever I'm going out. I don't even think I need earrings on this hair. It's not necessary, right? It's covering up, so I'll just wear just this bangle since it's market. I don't need ring and all that. So guys, this is my market fit. I don't have anything in my bag because I'll go downstairs and get my bags. I'm actually cooperating fine. What do you guys think? Please, I want banana oil. Eh? Okay, I should do transfer. Thank you. Eh? What if this is a chat? Jumbo. How much? God, I'm back from the market now, but unfortunately I didn't film that much because I'm still learning how to film in the market. I'm just in the car to give an update, and I just feel bad because in my head today was the day that I'm going to, will I say, break that record. Today I planned that I will film in the market no matter what, but anyway I was in a hurry, and that's my defense. I was in a hurry. I'll give you guys an update. I'll give you guys an update of everything I got at home, at the market, and how much I spent. I didn't even take that much money to the market, and I think I bought a lot. Unlike, let's see, shall if they cheat me, or let's see when we get home in a minute. So let's see what 150k was able to get me. This is okay. This is crayfish. I got it for 4,500. Please leave my tripod alone. This is the okra I want to cook. I got this one for I think 1,600. This is red oil. God, I'm so pissed I'm buying red oil because I'm from, like, we have palm kernel. In fact, we have red oil plenty at home. And they asked me, should we get from village? I was like, no, do bigger. And I went to go and buy this thing, 4,000 naira. But don't worry, they're bringing for ready for me next time. I'm not even bringing any. Just leave this thing alone. Ah, what else is it? I got these vegetable oils. I got them at 3,500 each. This is my favorite spice. Do you know this spice? It's my favorite spice. I don't know. I can't just. I almost skip it in the market and pint of tomato. Tomato is so scarce this year. See it now. Okay, to see. Yes, I got whisk just to support my cooking. I only got this smaller one because it will be easier to. I saw the big one, but I just like this one. It's kind of easier to. I don't know if it will be easier, but. I got this thing because I'm going to be showing you guys my Greek yogurt recipe. So get ready. I don't know if I should make it a long form content or I should make it a short form content. That's what I'm just thinking. I don't know. But probably what's this? Those plates you broke. Replace them. What's matching? What's an apron home that matches? I'm one short of forgotten the price of what I'm telling you. Maybe you should leave me on a pure okay. I was born and raised in. I got this thing because I'm going to show you guys how to just prepare for my okra video. It will be coming up soon. What's this? This is what I'm going to use to prepare my yogurt. My Greek yogurt. So let's keep it aside. Okay, let's just put this aside. It's for the Greek yogurt. Like everything I see here is 150. And I got this fish. This man has been my customer for a very long time. Like, I must get her fish. So this one I think 20k and this for 5,000 naira. And then, yes, so this. Let me show you this fish. Like, I'm in love with it. It must be in my soup. This is the fish here. I don't know the name. I think it's dried catfish. Look at what it looks like. It must be in my soup. So nice. There's another one, but she said she didn't have it today, so I just left it. I think I got the round one. Those round ones, I don't do anything because they're just filled with head. See it here. See the fish. I got this one just because I didn't see the one I was looking for. Don't judge me. Why is it so hard? I don't need to say this anymore. Okay. See the one here? These ones. I really don't like this fish that much. It has good taste, but I just feel it just head everywhere. Like there's nothing here. So I prefer the other one that has plenty flesh. What is it? What do you want? I just forgot my onions at the market. I can't believe it. I got my onions, my pepper. I got this bunch of plantain for I think 6,000 naira. And to me, it's a good buy. Yes, this is one of the best buy in the market. And then this tuber of yam for I think I got them for 3,000 naira each. So the three of them is 9,000 naira. That's all I got. It's a mess. I'm not even refreshed. I just want to wash and cook everything, but God, what's this? Everything for the okra soup is prepped. I won't even take time. So this is okra and uba. This is yellow pepper. It won't take time. This one